Hey guys, it's me, Lena. Just posting a quick little video showing the two styles that I did today. It's not a tutorial, just basically before and after pictures. So I worked for a total of about 6.5 hours today. And I don't usually work long days anymore. I just want to go home and be with my kids sometimes, so I don't work all day. So usually about 9 to 5 is the time that I work, but today I only worked for about 6.5 hours. So this was the first style that I did, and it took me about 5 hours. And I'm not even gonna lie, that's because I was all in the TV, watching Netflix, watching my show, The 4400. So I was moving a little bit slow. I probably could have did it in like 4 hours. But it's 2 layers of small feed-in braids. And the next style I did took about an hour and a half. And I was still watching TV while I was doing that one also. But today, working only 6.5 hours, I made about $300. And that's not including the hair that I supply, that I have for sale, and hair jewelry and other products that I have. So that was just for the style itself. So I started a new page on Instagram called Mom Boss Braider, where I give tips and information and inspiration and other stuff I post, just giving braiders a little information on how they could make more money braiding or build clientele or keep clientele. And I am going to post a link to that new Instagram page in the description. And again, you're going to want to follow because I'm going to be letting you guys know how you can make 6 figures as a braider. Because most people think that this is a hobby. And it's only a hobby if you treat it as a hobby. But this is my business. So if you treat it like a business, you can make money like a business. And there is a potential to make a lot of money in just doing braids. Again, it took me about an hour and a half, but I was watching TV. Have y'all seen the 4400? That show is good. I was watching it on Netflix, and I'm like binge watching right now, like I do every show I start. But y'all should check that out. And this is my jumbo feed-in braids into a ponytail, and I did do them stitch. And I will be posting more detailed videos on the styles as soon as I find me a camera person, because I can't really post the detailed styles myself too well. So once I find somebody to do the camera for me, I will be posting more detailed tutorials and how to braid videos. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching.